Rockwell Collins and Stevens Aviation want to offer our customers the best value that we can for their avionics upgrades. With the Collins ProLine 21 system, it's a fully integrated system, and it's relatively easy to modify the system architecture to allow upgrades for the CNS ATM requirements. With the ProLine modernization packages, it will be one of the most cost-effective methods of upgrading your aircraft and also meeting the FAA mandates for ADS-B and adding features such as synthetic vision, IFAS, XM weather, and other upgrades can be done as well.